If you're new to 3D printing or looking for a better printer, it can be hard to choose the right one. There are many options out there, but you want a printer that is easy to use, works well, and gives good results. In this guide, we'll show you the best 3D printers for beginners. These printers are simple to use, give great prints, and have features that make them perfect for starting your 3D printing journey. Let's take a look at the top choices. Number 5. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini. Combo is a standout desktop 3D printer, offering excellent performance, versatility, and ease of use. After thorough testing, it's clear that this compact printer is perfect for both beginners and experienced users. One of the most impressive features of the A1 Mini combo is its print quality. With high resolution, it creates detailed and smooth prints, making it ideal for everything from prototypes to intricate models. Not only is the print quality top-notch, but the speed is also remarkable. It produces models faster than many other printers in its category, boosting productivity without compromising on quality. Setting up the A1 Mini combo is simple, thanks to its easy-to-use interface and guided setup, allowing even beginners to get started quickly. The printer also comes with features like automatic bed leveling and a touchscreen interface, making the printing process even easier. Another great feature is its versatility. The A1 Mini combo supports a wide variety of materials, from standard PLA to more advanced filaments like PTG and TPU, giving users the freedom to create a range of projects, whether for fun or practical use. Despite its compact size, the build quality is sturdy, and it fits perfectly in smaller spaces. It doesn't sacrifice performance for size, and with added safety features like thermal runaway protection and a fully enclosed design, it provides extra peace of mind. Number 4. The Anycubic Kobra 3. Combo is a reliable and versatile 3D printer that should be at the top of your list if you're looking for quality and performance. After testing and printing a variety of models, this printer has proven to stand out in the world of 3D printing. One of the best features of the Kobra 3 combo is its user-friendly design. The printer comes partially assembled, making the setup quick and easy, even for beginners. The touchscreen interface is simple and intuitive, so navigating through different settings and options is a breeze. Whether you're adjusting print settings or choosing from preloaded designs, everything feels smooth and effortless. When it comes to print quality, the Kobra 3 really shines. With a maximum resolution of 0.9, your prints come out crisp and detailed. The printer works well with a range of filaments like PLA, ABS, and PTG, giving you flexibility for different types of projects. During testing, the Kobra 3 consistently produced accurate prints with minimal stringing or imperfections. Another great feature is its large build volume, which is perfect for larger projects or printing multiple smaller models at once. The heated print bed also helps with better adhesion, reducing the chances of warping during printing. Number 3. The Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus is an impressive 3D printer that stands out in its category for both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts alike. After extensive testing and usage, it's clear that this model offers a remarkable balance of affordability, ease of use, and high-quality prints. One of the standout features of the Neptune 4 Plus is its spacious build volume, which allows you to create larger and more intricate designs without the need for multiple prints. The printer's sturdy construction ensures stability during printing, significantly reducing the vibrations that can lead to errors in your models. Setup is a breeze thanks to the clear instructions and well-organized components. The printer comes partially assembled, which means you can start printing in no time. The user-friendly interface and touchscreen make navigating through settings incredibly intuitive, even for those who are new to 3D printing. And print quality is where the Neptune 4 Plus truly shines. With its dual-gear direct drive extruder, it handles a variety of filament types, including PLA, ABS, and TPU with ease. The layer adhesion is excellent, resulting in smooth finishes and intricate details that rival those produced by much more expensive printers. Another noteworthy aspect is the printer's reliability. During my testing, I experienced minimal issues, and the auto-bed leveling feature was a game-changer, ensuring consistent first layers and reducing the likelihood of failed prints. Additionally, the Neptune 4 Plus includes a range of thoughtful features, a filament sensor that alerts you when you're running low. Number 2. The Creality Ender 3v3SA has quickly established itself as a top contender in the world of budget 3D printers, and for good reason. After extensive testing, we found that this machine strikes an impressive balance between performance, ease of use, and affordability, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced hobbyists alike. One of the standout features of the Ender 3v3SA is its upgraded printing capabilities. With a robust build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 mm, it allows for a wide range of projects, from intricate miniatures to larger functional prints. The inclusion of a high-precision direct drive extruder greatly enhances filament feeding, resulting in smoother and more consistent prints. We were particularly impressed by its ability to handle a variety of materials, including PLA, PTG, and even TPU, without any major hiccups. The setup process is straightforward thanks to the clear instructions and well-packaged components. Even those new to 3D printing will find themselves up and running in no time. The printer's intuitive touchscreen interface is user-friendly, allowing for easy adjustments and monitoring of prints. Another highlight is the printer's stability during operation. The sturdy aluminum frame minimizes vibrations, leading to exceptional print quality with crisp details and smooth finishes. We conducted several test prints, and were delighted to see minimal stringing and excellent layer adhesion. Moreover, the Ender 3v3SA comes equipped with safety features like a power recovery function. Number 1. The AnkerMake M5C stands out as a remarkable option for both newcomers and experienced makers alike. After extensive testing and hands-on experience, it's clear that this 3D printer combines innovative technology with user-friendly features, making it a top choice for anyone looking to dive into the world of 3D printing. One of the standout features of the AnkerMake M5C is its impressive printing speed. With a maximum speed of up to 250 mm per second, this printer significantly reduces the time it takes to complete projects, allowing you to bring your ideas to life faster than ever. This level of efficiency does not compromise the quality of the prints. The M5C consistently produces high-resolution models with intricate details and smooth finishes. Ease of use is another critical aspect where the M5C excels. The intuitive touchscreen interface simplifies navigation and setup, making it accessible even for those who are new to 3D printing. Additionally, the printer comes partially assembled, meaning you can get started with minimal setup time. The AnkerMake app further enhances the user experience, enabling remote monitoring and control of your prints right from your smartphone. Durability and reliability are cornerstones of the M5C's design. Built with high-quality components, this printer is designed to withstand the rigors of regular use. Its sturdy frame minimizes vibrations during printing, contributing to the overall precision of the output. Plus, the dual-gear extruder ensures